Animals affairs. Tortoise. We've talked about lions, we've talked about elephants. Today, let's talk about tortoise. Male tortoise is called tortoise. Female tortoise is also tortoise. Tortoise doesn't have special names for males and females, okay? Baby tortoise is called hatchling. Home of tortoise is desert. Food of tortoise is plants. Number of teeth. Tortoise has no teeth. Pregnancy period. Tortoise doesn't carry pregnancy. Tortoise lay eggs. Lifespan. Tortoise can live for as long as 50 to 150 years. Sleeping time. Tortoise sleeps for as long as 12 to 16 hours daily. Sound. Tortoise hiss or grunt. The scientific name of tortoise is Testudinidae. Symbolism. Tortoise symbolizes patience and longevity. Watch out for cats. Thank you very much for watching.